Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Hello family, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I am in Norwich, Portland, and I'm heading over to Oshae's 876 kitchen to see if I can get some dinner. Guys, I have never been here before, but it came highly recommended. So I want to see what they have on the menu for dinner. It is a very breathtakingly beautiful place. Nestled right here on the beach in Norwich, and it is a cool and slightly overcast evening. But let's see what they have in store for us. So guys, I just met with the chef, and apparently we're supposed to call ahead with the order. Now, I did not know that, but they're going to see what they can do for us. So guys, they're also allowing me to watch while they prepare. So I'm gonna have you join me while Al, that's his name, prepare the meal for us. Yeah, at Walton.
Yeah, man, seriously, what you're doing. You have to let the boy stop and don't work. Can't, you know what to me now? You don't have to make one step on my time, bro. You start a step right now, now make two step on my foot. No, yes, Kobe have to make it pepper. We are telling you. Yes, Kobe sauce have to make it pepper chance. So no make us Kobe sauce and another pepper. We are telling you, man. Because they say, "Up me up, you have pepper." Right? No, one can't do it like that because you don't put me on it.
This is Al applying the seasoning to the lobster.
Garlic to me. Yeah,
Here we have the fish being fried. Alton, how long you cooking like this?
Hold on.
Yeah.
So, me start, this kitchen start around 3 years now. So 3 years in the kitchen, but I cook for around 15 years work.
Okay. Okay.
And my grandmother teach me to cook.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's good. That's
Teach me to
good.
cook and teach me to bake. You can bake bun, you can bake pudding, you can bake cake.
Yeah?
Yeah, grandmother
Nice.
teach me all of those.
Nice. You have a lot of customers coming through?
Yes, yes. Sometimes we overload it. Sometimes I have to turn back this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the lady outside said that you have to call and order before
Yes.
you order.
Yeah, that's how we do it. That's when it's a reservation.
Okay.
You have to hurry up to come and make.
Thank you for that.
Okay.
I want to rock it. The Bliss.
Amen to that.
Yeah.
I feel like you have no.
Yeah. Guys, the menu is lobster and fish with bami and festival and fried plantain. The beverage will be June plum juice. What we're seeing here now is the seasoning being prepared for the fish. So Al, you normally do other things apart from the fish and the lobster?
Yes, we do anything, pork, curry, goat, oxtail, shrimp, you name it, anything.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so long as they call on that, we prepare.
Alright.
The elephant book.
Nice.
Anything you want.
Okay.
Everything we don't cook, I like. We don't cook no touching food. But then the touching come, I want to cook here and buy one pot of cookie game. We don't cook in a food pot. So a cookie game and a tasty, and cookie game and a tasty. Good. Just like how we got some big cookie game.
Guys, Al is the man you're looking at. The place is operated by Al's brother, but Al is Oshae. Yes. Al is the right hand man. What we see here is Al preparing the ingredients for the lobster soup, and his assistant is going to get the green plantain up and running. Alice putting the lobster in the pot now. Now we have the green plantains already peeled and sliced going into some salt water. So now we have the lobster cooking and we have the soup bubbling. These gentlemen are nothing short of amazing, guys. Guys, this is the seasoning that they're cutting up for the lobster. It's gonna be garlic lobster. Is that right, gentlemen? Garlic lobster. Oh, guys, this is the lobster soup over here. Okay. Oh, so that's the garlic sauce right there, and then.
Oh, yes, I get the others one, no care come for them. Fish.
That is, what's that?
Escovitch fish.
Oh, that's the sauce for the escovitch fish. And this one over here bubbling is the lobster soup. All right, guys. And then we have the plantain that they're gonna do afterwards.
Yeah, we have a plantain over here we're gonna fry. Fresh and fry.
That's the plantain, and we're gonna do it with
We got bami.
bami.
So it's supposed to be some.
Guys, this is the sauce going on the escovitch fish. Oh my God, this looks so good. All right. What's that, Al?
Garlic, onion, sweet pepper, hot
Okay.
pepper, butter.
So that's the garlic sauce.
Yeah.
Guys, the garlic sauce going on the lobster. And here we have the June plum juice being worked on. He's very meticulous with the sauce. That's the soup finish, Al. Lovely. Guys, this is the plantain. I'll just put in the pot. Yeah. It's green plantain and he had it in some salt. Guys, this is the bami.
going in milk.
Yeah.
Al is soaking it for a little bit before he fries it.
Press up the way.
Yeah. Okay, yes. So he fries it. Okay. Okay, nice, nice. Alice doing the planting. This is a pressing board, Al.
Yeah, pressing board.
Oh, and the planting come out real flat. I didn't know about this board.
What Johnson? Tape. Can I tape a talking about?
You don't feel well.
So Al, before you press it, you don't make the planting fry.
No,
Just half,
yeah,
halfway.
Yeah.
I say that.
Guys, let me know in the comment section if you're familiar with the pressing board for the planting. To be honest with you, I'm not familiar with it. Tell me how you normally get your plantains flat.
Guys, this is the bami now in the pot frying. I'll already soak it. And the bami is being fried. We have the lobster over here and we have the fish.
Okay, so here we are. This is the finished product. I know I'm going to enjoy it. If it tastes anything half as good as it looks, guys, I know I'm going to enjoy it. For those of you who want to check out Oshae's 876 kitchen, I'm going to have its number on the screen for your reference. Once again, thanks for watching. Ciao.